I think one of the things that tourist pictures often do is try to give an unspoiled view of nature. And I like an unspoiled view of nature, but I know that nature is always spoiled by human observation. And so the spoiled view of nature is something that I like as well. Does not mean I look for the abject, but that I accept the human infrastructure that makes nature available to us. There's some mountains near St. Moritz, as seen through the glass partition that rings a cafe high up on one of the mountains. Text says, the icy hand of some alpine enchanter. And the fragmentary sentences I pulled out of Baedeker seldom are specifically about the place where the photo was taken. What I wanted to find in this old, more than 150-year-old travel guide, well, about 150-year-old travel guide, was lines that spoke in a way similar to the way that the pictures were speaking. So I wasn't usually looking for a one-to-one connection. I was looking for allusion. Every once in a great while, the sentence would actually refer specifically to the place where the photograph was taken.